Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna take trades with candlestick psychology and supply and demand. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let's find some beautiful trades. Okay guys, I'm taking this. Alright, let me take it. No, I'm not gonna add the 4. In case this trade loses, I can recover. So let's mark this up real quick to show you guys. This is the supply here. See that? Price came down to the supply and it rejected so sharply. Whoa, what happened? Oh, I'm on the 30 seconds time frame, guys, and it's a 1 minute trade. Okay, I will have to switch the time frame. I just realized this. But anyway, guys, as you see, this is a beautiful supply here, right? And we have a doji candle here which signals sign of reversal, and I saw that this candle created a lower low compared to this one here which created a higher high, and it closed as a hammer, and hammer are reversal signs, and I just combined everything with the supply with the demand, and yeah, this trade is a beautiful trade. Let's find the next opportunity. Alright, I'm taking this. I'm gonna mark this for you guys to show you the reason why I took it. Alright. I saw that this supply is super strong based on candlestick psychology, price action and everything. So let's wait for this trade to close. Plus we saw that a hammer candle closes right here, and hammer candles usually signal reversal in the market. Okay. So I'm looking for a green candle here, but the main thing, guys, is the supply area. We need to mark our supply area properly. Okay, that's the main thing in this strategy, guys. Okay, beautiful. Let's find our next opportunity. Okay, I'm taking this, guys. As you can see, this is a supply here. Okay, and this is a strong supply based on candlestick psychology. I could see that this level is very strong. Let me mark it for you guys. Okay, and this opportunity seems like it's gonna be very decent. Yeah, come down. Beautiful, nice. Alright guys, I'm seeing an opportunity right here. Nice. I'm gonna mark it to show you guys. Oh, this is so sweet. This is so clean, guys. And we are in a ranging market, so this makes it even much cleaner. Okay, this makes it so clean, guys. Check this rejection, guys. Check this out. No, if you guys don't think this is I don't know what to say, guys. Like, this is so beautiful, so accurate, everything. Beautiful, amazing. Let's find our next opportunity here. All right, I'm gonna take it right here. The supply and demand is it's pretty decent. It's pretty decent. This demand, I should say, guys. I don't know why I always say supply and demand. I just like to just call the both names. But yeah, this demand is pretty decent. It's pretty decent. It's okay. Let's see what's gonna happen here. All right, guys. So when you're identifying supply and demand, you need to look for an engulfing candle, guys. Right, engulfing candle is where the supply and demand is. Right, this trade look very nice. If I had more money, I would put more money on this trade. Sometimes I don't like to do compounding sessions because I have to wait so long to reach a certain amount of money. It takes a while, guys, and then it's risky also because I have to be risking the entire profit, and if I lose it, I will have to start over from scratch. Let's find our next opportunity. All right, this is the next one. Nice, nicely done. I didn't realize this supply, guys, this demand, guys. I didn't realize it. I was about to pass it, and I looked very closely and I saw that it was strong. Now, guys, you need to understand something. In order to find the strong supply and demand, you will need to understand candlestick psychology, because all supply and demands are not strong. Okay? Some might works when the price closing it, like right here, it close here and it work, right? Some might works with rejections. No, if you want the rejection, you will have to find the strong one, okay? And if you want the close, you have to find, I mean, you want to trade all of them which are strong, guys. You don't want to trade anything which is not strong, okay? You want to trade all the setups when they are strong. Let's find our next opportunity and I will continue this speech. This opportunity almost missed me, guys. Let's see what's gonna happen. Come on. Come on. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, let's find our next opportunity. Alright, I'm taking this one. I'm taking this one also. Guys, I want you to understand something. I'm trading flag mode here. Okay, and when you're trading flag mode, you need it to be on the flag here and put 1 minute timer and make sure the back here is on 0. Okay, always make sure it's on 0, guys, and make sure the current time is matching the candle time. Okay, you could see this candle is saying 1539. This is saying 1540 because the candle will close on 1540. Okay, and always make sure this is 0 so that the price will close on the candle. Okay, and guys, if you pay attention here, I could have took this trade, and if it closes, I could have won this trade. You see that, guys? But because I was explaining to you guys, I missed this opportunity, and this is the disadvantage when recording. Okay, when I'm trading and recording, it becomes very difficult sometimes to find the opportunities quicker than normal, because I have to be explaining to you guys and trade at the same time. But no worries, I like to explain to you guys also, so it's not a problem to me. I'm just trying to let you know. So let's find our next opportunity. Alright, I saw next one, guys. Oh my god, like supply and demand is all over the chart, guys. Like, it's so amazing. I'm being honest, guys. Once you master candlestick psychology, there is nothing in trading that can stop you, guys. Nothing. Like, this is so great. I honestly love trading. I know many people don't love trading, they just want to make money, but that's the wrong mindset. You have to love it also, because when you love it, you will learn it. If you don't love it, you won't learn it, you know. Oh, I almost missed this one. I want this for 2,000 right here. Let me mark it for you guys. I have to mark it. Guys, I can see them without marking them, okay? I'm just marking them for you guys so you can see my thought process behind the trades, okay? As you guys see, this is very accurate. Oh god. Oh, hey guys, this is one of the super strong supply and demand. Taking this one also. Oh, my entry is not so good. If I lose this trade, guys, it's because of my entry, okay? It's not good. Let me show you why it's not good. See, my entry is above the zone. My entry should have been in the zone. Okay, guys, when you're taking supply and demand, make sure that the price reach inside of your zone. Okay, I will draw supply and demand from the body also, guys. Beautiful. And if I was taking price action, I could take a trade after this candle closes. Okay, BHTCNY. I'm gonna check that pair after. Okay, beautiful, nice. I enjoy supply and demand, it's the best. And this demand is pretty strong also. Based on candlestick psychology, I'm seeing that it's very strong. Okay, let's find our next opportunity. Nice. A little lower. Beautiful. I was very patient on that one, guys. I wasn't gonna take any risky trade. The first one is a little bit not such a good entry, but the second one was perfect. Well, the first one was okay. As you can see, I marked the zone now. Right, guys, at the time it, guys, this is the thing about supply and demand. When you're trading the rejections of supply and demand, you have to be really quick. You have to be fast. Okay. And usually, guys, when I'm trading, if I was recording, I would mark the zone because I already can see when the price approaches the zone. But I mark it for you guys because you might not know perfectly what to look for, but I know what to look for. Okay, let's find our next opportunity and I will continue talking about all these stuff. And this one, let me mark it in the meantime. But it seems like you want to come up, guys. I don't want to miss it. I don't want to miss it. Come up. What are you doing? Come up, man. Come up. Come up. Okay. Guys, he didn't want to come up, guys. I don't know what's going on. He was trying to play with me for a minute there. Okay. Guys, see? This is what profitable trader does. You have to be patient. That's a key. Patient and very short. Okay? You see how I wait very patiently? Check my entry, guys. Sniper. Sniper. You see that? I waited patiently. I didn't rush in. I didn't use FOMO. Guys, I master all those stuff. I'm not gonna say at times I don't slip up here and there, but not often. And this is the difference between a profitable trader and a non-profitable trader. We know how to be very patient and wait for that perfect opportunity. So yes, guys, this will be it for my session. I hope you guys learned something new. If you're interested, I have a mentorship which I teach this strategy and many more. If you're interested and you're ready to invest in yourself, you can contact me on Telegram and I will get you started. And the mentorship is actually videos, explanations, and screenshots of strategies, everything, guys, and you can speak to me personally also and I will reply to you. All right. And as I said, this will be it for this video and I will see you guys in the next video.